Media and entertainment companies are generating more data than ever, but much of it lies unused, locked away in unstructured silos. Valuable opportunities for optimization, insights, and monetization remain untapped. Dell Technologies and NVIDIA are redefining media workflows with AI-powered storage solutions, purpose-built for speed, reliability, and unparalleled scalability. Dell AI Factory with NVIDIA powered by PowerScale enables creative teams to unlock their full potential. PowerScale accelerates storytelling with unmatched performance, revolutionizing next-generation media pipelines and scaling effortlessly with growing demands. High-speed data access empowers filmmakers, pipeline engineers, and AI models to refine, iterate, and innovate without disruption. From filmmaking to broadcasting, AI-driven automation fuels high-performance workflows at every stage. Seamless data replication and rapid recovery ensures assets remain secure and accessible on-site, in the cloud, or across the globe. PowerScale's intelligent data management safeguards critical footage while enabling global collaboration. Teams can access assets anytime, anywhere, reducing downtime and protecting valuable content. Faster workflows, scalable storage, AI-powered automation. This is the future of media production. Are you ready to unlock the full potential of your creative workflows? PowerScale is validated with all major NVIDIA architectures, including the NVIDIA Cloud Partner Program, NVIDIA DGX SuperPod, and the NVIDIA Certified Storage Program, giving you the blueprints to ensure that your storage environment is ready for innovation. Contact us today to discover how Dell and NVIDIA are teaming up to power AI without limits for media and entertainment.